What if you could turn any product image into a professional video ad in just minutes? In this tutorial, I will show you how to use Digen AI to animate product ads like never before. Whether you are a content creator, marketer, or business owner, this is how you stop paying for costly video ads and start making your own today. Let's dive in. Hey, how did I do that? How did I animate those image adverts and I turn it to video ads? I use Digen AI. Digen AI. Let's Google it. Digen AI. Digen AI. You click on it. You can see it, a free AI video generator. You click on Digen AI. You register. You include your email for the registrations, and it brings you to this dashboard. You click on Digen. You click on create. You create. I've already registered. This is my space on Digen AI. What we are about to do is very important for business owners, entrepreneurs, people that have products to sell, advertisers, or marketing team in any organization, that want to promote their product. So it will bring you to this interface. You can see it will bring you to this dashboard. Okay, I said I used the images, and I got those images uh, by creating them on the Google Gemini 2.5 Flash, also known as Nano Banana. If you have a product, you can also use ChatGPT. ChatGPT, you will upload it on ChatGPT and you will ask ChatGPT to help you create the product with a stunning background. You can use any other AI text to image generation tool or image generation tool. Okay, how did I do that? You can see the left hand side, you can see upload. I click on upload. I click on, then I search for the image. Okay, I search for the image. I have several product image. Okay, this is it. I click on it. Okay, it's getting uploaded now. Yes, it is uploaded. This is it. Just as you have a product to sell, you have a product to advertise, you want to promote and ad a video ad on Facebook, on TikTok, on Instagram, or any other social media platform. Like this is like a product, a coffee. A coffee is a coffee. You can see it now. Okay, the next thing to do is to look at this video prompt because you want to generate a video. Look at this video prompt and you look at this prompt enhance. It will help you enhance the prompt. It will help you analyze this image by the left hand side and suggest a prompt for you that you want to use to generate a video. Okay, let us click on this prompt enhance. Okay, click on prompt enhance. Let's see what it gives to us. Okay, you can see that it helps to analyze it. A bag of midnight roast coffee beans sits prominently on a rusty wooden table. If you read along, you will discover that it also suggests that it's capturing the texture of the wood and the glistening coffee beans, creating an inviting and aromatic atmosphere. Are you seeing now? Okay, you can see. You can also, if you think that the prompt does not really depict what you want the video to manifest, you can say that smoke coming out of the coffee cup. Just add it to it. It knows what you actually want to say. You just click on prompt enhance again. Then it will help you. You can see, analyze, reanalyze it. It will help you review it. You can see, okay, say a sleek black back labeled midnight roast with gold lettering and a minimalist logo sit prominently on a rusty wooden table surrounded by scattered roasted coffee beans. The camera slowly pans from left to right. You can choose to review it and say right to left, capturing the texture of the wood and the glistering coffee beans, creating an inviting and aromatic atmosphere. In the background, a steaming cup of coffee, a steaming cup of coffee. It's at the rich aroma. Okay, that is it. When you get that, you can choose. When you get that, you can come here and generate. Digen AI gives you free credit on a daily basis. So don't just be afraid. If you keep on logging in, you can get up to 5,000 credits. 5,000 credits or whatsoever. You can see the video control. It at 10 seconds. If it is 10 seconds, uh, uh, you have to upgrade to premium plan. If it is 5 seconds, you have to leave it because it's just a video ad. You can just post and showcase your product. Then all you need to do is to click on generate. So when I did that, when I click on generate, it removed 20 coins out of the coins I had. Then this is what I got. By the right hand side, I click on this. This is what I got. Then this right hand side is where you will see your video generating. Then let me enlarge it, and click on the result. This is the result. You can see this is the video ads using Digen AI. Just 5 seconds. This is just it. Okay, let's look at the second one. Which is the wristwatch advert. I did the same thing. I uploaded the image of the product. This is the image of the product. I uploaded it. Let me see. Okay, I clicked on it because I already did the image work on Nano Banana Google Gemini 2.5 Flash. I suggested that the watch should be placed on a rock, a wet rock with a stoning environment. So I had it already created. You can go and check one of my tutorial on Gemini 2.5 Flash Nano Banana, how to create a product ad with a focus on creating a poster. This is like a poster for the product. I uploaded it. Then this is it. Then the same thing. You click on prompt enhance. As we wait, okay, this is what it gives to you. You can see, you can add your own reality in a prompt, in a dramatic, otherworldly landscape where vibrant, a lot of grammar there. You can see, you can just add a little bit. You want the watch to move around. You want the background to do other things or whatsoever you want to do. And if you come to this place, you can choose to include a little background sound. If you want to include a little background sound, which is just for a few seconds. If you have it already recorded, if you have the background sound recorded, you can just upload it. You can upload it here. Okay, let me look for a background sound. Okay, let me say upload. Let me upload a background sound. Let me look for a sound. Let me go to one of the sound that we had. Okay, sound. Okay, let me see. Let me see this sound. Let me see. Click on this. It's a sound I got for the upload audio cannot. Okay, this sound is more than 30 seconds. I just need something like a sound. How many seconds is this? This is, I think this is 2 seconds. Okay, let me click on it. Cannot be longer than 30 seconds. It's more than. Okay, I think. Okay, all you can do, you can include a sound that is not up to 30 seconds. You can generate the sound from Suno AI, or you can use any other AI tools, or you have a free sound from YouTube audio or YouTube music. Okay, then you click on it, you upload it, it comes to this place, then you add it to the generation, then you click on generate video. When I did that, this is what I got. Let me expand it and so that you can see. So that you can see. Okay, let me play it. Wow, this is just it. This is stunning. Let me play it again. Okay, this is the power of Digen AI, a combination of different AI tools to create a stunning background image using Gemini 2.5 Flash, also known as Nano Banana. And if you have those images ready, like you have a poster for your image or whatsoever, all you need to do is you just come to Digen AI to animate it using this AI tool. You can see how powerful it is. I did the same thing for the second one. I uploaded an image. Then this is how the other one, the third one. The third one. I search for the image. Yes, I uploaded the image. For the canned drink. This is what I did. Uploaded it. And if I click on prompt enhance and the prompt enhance does not signify that the can should be rolling, what I did was to write it. I want the can to be rolling, and I click on prompt enhance again, and it helped me review and reanalyze the prompt. And this is what I got. Let's open it. This is what I got. Wow, you can see. This is a very powerful video advert for whatsoever product. It could be a shoe, it could be whatsoever you think that you are selling. You can just come here. If you have the image ready, you can come here to animate your image using Digen AI. You can see how powerful the tutorial is. You can see how insightful it is. Please, I want you to share this video to your organization, to your marketing team, advertising team, your church, or whosoever has a product, whosoever is doing something great. I want you to share it. I also want you to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.